what we need to know is what are the factors that determine the USMLE score, right? Majority is, of course, your knowledge. A part of it is luck. Yes, even though whosoever might tell you that it's just hard work that gets you through, luck is a major factor. Because whenever you are given a test, there are thousands of people taking the same test from the same question bank on the same day. So if the test is easier, you may fall as a victim to a very steep curve. So if there's even a single answer that you mark wrong, the stakes are very high. On the contrary, whenever there is a rather difficult test that you have to appear for, the slope does tend to get a bit, plateau, and you have greater chances of scoring well. But that is just hearsay, and but I would say yes, luck matters. A part of it which I want to focus on today is an educated guess. So first of all, there's the basic approach to any question that should be taken. I just summarized it in a flowchart. Um, so what you do is you read the last line of the question stem. Why? Because we have very long question stems in USMLE, which is one of the drawbacks for those of us, especially in India, who have been taking NEET or state entrance tests back in our before our UG, and we're more accustomed to single line questions being asked. Of course, the NEET pattern is changing, but this was before. So how you do is you give 1 minute maximum to each question. You have 40 questions to be answered in an hour. You target to complete each question in 1 minute, and then use those 10 minutes to use all the to review all the questions that you have flagged, or spend a little more time on those that are confusing.